In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio in an Adalo app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an audio player in your app, set it up with the right details, and choose the options that make the most sense for your users. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Adalo. Click the official Adalo link to head to the site. Once you're there, log into your account so you can access your projects. From your dashboard, open your app in the Adalo Builder. This will load your editor with all your screens on the left and the design area in the center. Navigate to the screen where you want the audio to appear so you can place the player exactly where it belongs in your layout. Next, click the plus icon to open the Components panel. In the search bar, type Audio Player, then add the Audio Player component to your screen. You can drag it to position it and resize it so it fits neatly with your design. Now click the audio player you just added. When it's selected, the settings panel will appear. Here's where you'll fill in the important details. For the URL of the song, use a direct, publicly accessible link to your audio file, such as an MP3 hosted on a reliable service. If the link requires a login or expires, it won't play for users, so make sure it's stable and accessible. Add a clear song title, like the track name or episode title, and a subtitle for any helpful context, such as the artist, album, or a short description. If your app stores audio links and titles in a collection, you can bind those fields so the player populates dynamically based on the current record. Always ensure you have the rights to stream the audio you use. If you want the audio to keep playing while users move through other screens, turn on the autoplay option. Keep in mind that some devices and browsers may require user interaction before autoplay can start, so consider your audience and design accordingly. You'll also find additional options to polish the listening experience. Add artwork to display a cover image. This makes the player feel more professional and recognizable. Enable the progress bar so users can see how far along they are and scrub to a specific point. Turn on play and pause buttons for basic control, and include forward and back buttons if you want easy skipping. These controls help users navigate longer tracks or revisit key moments. That's it. You've placed an audio player, connected the audio, and configured the options to match your app's needs.